everyone, happy holidays and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sinisha and this is PeepSo Feature Highlights. In today's episode, I want to talk about the feature that used to be a paid plugin, but for a long time it's been merged into free PeepSo Foundation core plugin available in the WordPress directory. So when you install the PeepSo, you will automatically have this poll feature available as well. Okay, so let me show you how to set it up. Let's start from the WordPress dashboard, our usual location for all the configuration in WordPress and related plugins. So after PeepSo is installed, go to PeepSo configuration and then navigate to stream posts. Scroll all the way down until you find polls option. Enabled and multi-select polls will be enabled by default. And this simply means, this is self-explanatory. I don't think I need to explain anything here. If you enable or disable the option, it will be either enabled or disabled. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to keep it enabled, okay? And multi-select polls option allows you to select more than one answer, but only if it's allowed when poll has been created. So let me show you how exactly this works. Let's save these settings and go back to the community. Now, because I already answered this question with this user, I am going to go to the users, all users, and switch to the user that have yet to respond to this question or this poll. And I'm switching the user with a plugin called user switching. If you followed our channel and saw my videos previously, you saw me using this plugin. I will link it in the description below so you can use it too. So now when I go to the front end, I am now logged in as this Madison, and now as you can see, she didn't really respond to this question yet, and she can only choose one option. But remember how we enable the option to choose multiple answers. Now, this is because this particular post, when created, this user didn't allow multiple selects. That being said, Madison can only choose one option over here. Let's go for Mercedes and click on submit. All right, so how exactly are you going to allow more than one option? Well, it's easy. When you go and create the poll, you have this option over here, allow multiple option selection, okay? So once that is checked out, you can choose the option one, let's say Facebook or YouTube or Twitter. And post it. Now you can choose more than one answer. Okay. You see how this poll is now different to this one. This one only allows one option to be selected, and this one includes two. I'm going to delete this one because I like this one better. So this setting over here, when you create the polls, allow multiple option selection, will always override this setting in the backend. This setting in the backend only allows this to be present here, right? If I disable this option, let's disable it, save the setting. Now I need to refresh this page in order for a new setting to take effect. Now, if I want to create my poll, there is no more option to allow multiple selection. This next feature, polls in groups, will only be available if you have groups plugin installed. If you don't have groups plugin installed, this option will not even be displayed over here. All right, so the requirement for this option is for groups to be installed, and when option is enabled, it will allow creation of polls in groups. Okay, let's enable this option as well and save these settings for now. So right now we have enabled polls. Multi-select polls is also enabled when creating new poll. So author of the poll can choose whether or not to allow multiple select as answers. And we have polls available in groups. Let's check it out. All right, go back to the community. Let's find a group, our favorite, do further ado, and let's try to create the poll over here. You see, it's exactly the same feature as the feature available on the profile and community streams, but this time this poll will be created in the group. Let's create it together. So what is the best social network? And we will add options like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok maybe, and of course PeepSo, and we are going to allow multiple options to be selected. All right, let's pause this, and now we have the option to multiple select our answers. So let's say Facebook, Twitter, and PeepSo. That's my answer. Let's circle back to this particular poll that I want to focus on and discuss few more options that are available. As you can see here, this poll is a bit garbled up. You know, the option with the most votes is, yes, it's on top, but it's just a circumstance that it has the most vote. The second option, the second most voted option is all the way down to the bottom. And if I want to rearrange this, I can do that by going into my poll settings and sort result by votes. Yes, I can sort it by ascending or descending values. So let's refresh the page and see it right now, or I can change the order so the least voted option will be on top when I refresh the page. Additional options available in the settings are allowing the vote change. Let me just quickly change the ordering of the options by votes. Allow vote changes. This will allow every user to change their vote if they want. All right, so let's enable that option and always show results that I'm going to explain later. So let's check this allow vote changes option first. Save the settings. Now let's go back to this poll, and you will have the option to vote again. And if you don't see it, you can click on these three dots over here and change your vote if you wish, or even completely unvote. Okay, let's change one more time. So you can allow your users to change their votes however they want, if they want. All right. For the final option, always show results, that I was talking about here previously, always show results, you see how these results are displayed after you vote. And if you see the poll with the user that has not casted the vote yet, let me just quickly go to all users and switch to the user that never seen this poll before. I think I have to go, let's switch to this one, go back to the community as this user, and now you can see that she doesn't really see any results yet. She can vote, but no results are displayed. All right. If I go back to the configuration, I need to go back to switch back to admin, go back to the configuration, stream posts, always show results. Okay, save the settings. Now bear with me, I again need to go to all users, switch to the proper user, all right? Let's choose this one. I know she didn't vote anything for certain. Okay, now she can see the results, although she didn't vote yet. Okay, and all because of that option that I enabled in the backend to show results all the time. All right. And that is all you need to know about the polls feature in PeepSo. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification icon to be notified when new video comes out. We publish new videos every week, and you can also follow us on social media to be notified about them. We are present there as well. Links will be in the description below. Until the next video, I wish you all the best, and once again, happy holidays. Bye!